Hey everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2016 Volkswagen Polo Tech Match. Now of course, as you can see, you've got your halogen daytime running lights, you've got front parking sensors, and of course coming round to the side, you've also got these brilliant 15-inch alloy wheels. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and condition. But coming out to the rear now, we've got your rear parking sensors as well. Then into the tailgate, we've got your hidden boot switch, which is within the logo of the boot. You've got plenty of room in here, including a multi-level boot floor, which you can see just here. Does slide down and slot into place like so. And you do also get 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full black cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've also got a nice little bit of contrasting silvery grey. You've got full electric windows all around, all of which are automatic. Then jumping in the front of the car, we've got a 5-speed manual gearbox. We've got your air conditioning in the middle. We've then also got your touchscreen display. This does come with your various radio bands in the bottom left just here, so DAB, FM and AM. Then on your media, we've got your various sources just here, including CD, USB, auxiliary, SD card and Bluetooth. Then coming over to the App Connect, this is where you can activate your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control settings just here. We've then got your volume just below. On the right hand side, we've got your onboard computer controls with your Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. We've then also got your track select just below. As you can see, this car has done 52,636 miles, but jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Volkswagen Polo, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.